Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? That notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video, okay? You're here today, guys, because you're online right now searching for a way to make money online, and that's how you ended up on my channel. My channel is an affiliate marketing channel. I show you different products and services that you can promote and make commissions, okay, by promoting those products. And you can do it from the comfort of your home as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, a smartphone, and a laptop, okay? And I do this full time, all right? So as you can see on my screen right now, though, guys, I'm back with one of my programs that I've been promoting since October of last year. Press One Cash. It's a great software. That's what this is. It's an actual texting software. Okay, you can use Press One Cash to promote any business or service that you actually have. Doesn't matter what you're promoting, you can use this, okay, to help you promote it. If you don't have a business, then this can be your business. Okay, you can make a full-time income simply promoting Press One Cash because you receive $200 commissions every time someone buys this software from you. Okay, so I'm on my page, which is the same page you're going to get. All right, so let me show you. Let's scroll down a little bit and let's show you what you get, guys. What do you get? You get your own phone number, you get 100 credits, you get your own website, you get a back office and track all your sales and your sign-ups. And by you investing in this software, $297 one time, you have the resale rights to resell that, and that's how you're able to make $200 on every sale, as it states. And it has a one-up built in, a one-up comp plan, which means you have to pass up one sale. So with this particular program, Press One Cash, your first sale passes up, and then after that, that's your qualifying sale. After that, you're qualified to receive unlimited $200 commissions. But that gives you leverage, guys, okay? Because that means everybody that joins you has to pass up their first sale, okay? And that means that when people join you, they have to pass up their first sale, okay? So that gives you leverage when you can get these unlimited $200 commissions that's coming to you effortlessly, okay? Effortlessly, all right? That's leverage, and that's what you want. Just by your team, your members, doing what they should be doing, and that's promoting the system, you're going to be passed up that first sale, okay? And how does it work? The prospects will call your phone number, okay? When they call your phone number, they'll listen to a short message. They're going to press 1 for more information. When they do that, it will automatically text them your website, okay? So you can put any website in there that you want, whatever you're promoting, okay? And when they press 1, it's going to take them straight to your website. You can check mine out right now. Actually, I have a rotor going on with mine, and I'm adding people to my rotator, okay? You may not see my name, and that's okay on one of the pages. That's fine, because that means I'm promoting my team, which is what I said I'm going to do. I have a few slots that I'm going to allow for people that join. Just a few slots, okay? When it's full, I'm done, okay? So I'm going to be helping by this number. You may see a couple of my other opportunities, and you may see other Press One Cash numbers in here. And that's great, because remember, I get the first sale anyway. So this will help my team go ahead and get qualified, okay? You'll get qualified, and then at your next sale, you'll keep the ones after that, okay? From the second on down, you'll get all the other sales, the $200 commission, okay? Now this is, guys, it has this video right here, selling and telling for you. All you have to do is get people over to this page. Perfect for real estate agents, anybody that has a business. Use this, okay? So this website does all the selling and telling well. You'll have ad back office to show you how to do this, okay? It's perfect and easy, okay? All you have to do is share your number, okay? Share. You can do postcards with this. You can do solo ads, okay? And I'm going to show you a system that you can use. There's 2 systems that I'm using that has a capture page with it, because this doesn't come with a capture page. It just comes with this page right here. So I highly recommend you getting a capture page in front of it so you can collect your leads and have an email series to follow up with your leads on your behalf, okay? I'm going to switch over to the back office real quick, and then I'm going to show you those marketing systems. Hang on one second. Okay, I'm in the back office now. As you can see, where to put your information, how you want to receive your payments, whether it's Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Cash, Stripe, whatever you want, however you want to get those payments. You go in here in the training section, and it shows you where to put that information, okay? So it basically shows you how to set this up, but I'll walk you through this as well when you join me. Okay, so I can make sure you're all good to go. And you click over here, guys, for resources. There's some ad copy in there. I'm going to switch over there and I'm going to show you that as well. This is a real simple system. So we're in the back office under resources, okay, over here. And it shows you different strategies that you can use to promote this program, okay. Postcard marketing, as I just mentioned to you, voice drops, ad copy, and they give you sample ads in here, guys. Okay, online advertising, you click here, Craigslist, and it gives you sample ads right here. Right here it says click here for sample ads. All this is in there, but really simple, just putting your number out here. That's all you have to do. Let me show you the marketing system real quick. Okay, you can see one of the pages that I have. If you go to my website, I'm going to put the link below. I'm using the Conversion Pros, okay, and this is a page that I'm using, okay, as you can see. Earn $200 with mobile marketing, okay. This is $50 a month. You make $25 from every one that you send over to the Conversion Pros that gets this system, okay. And let me show you the other one. Here's another capture page and another marketing system that you can get as well. As $19.95 a month, plus $10 one-time admin fee, setup fee, okay, to get this system right here. So I'm going to put both links below if you want to use a marketing system, okay, with email autoresponder included. Now, with that being said, let's jump on. Let me just show you. I had a new member that joined yesterday. Welcome aboard, Mr. Gregory out of Florida. Hang on a second. We came in July 26th at 2:45 p.m. When someone joins you, you get an email like this from Press 1. It says this member joined you. Okay, then let me show you the payment. Hang on a second. I don't want to reveal the information. If you look here, I also received an email from Cash App at 2:44. Okay, $200 right here. Let me go down a little bit. Okay, so yesterday from this system, guys. I'm telling you, this works if you do it the right way. And just imagine a few of those a week, 5 of those a week, and not all of the effort will be on yours, because remember, everybody has to pass up their first sale, okay? You don't have to do, you don't need a whole bunch of people to make money with this, okay? Hang on a second here. It's one of the simplest programs, not that difficult, all right? So again, you're going to get 100 credits with this, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So that's literally 100 people can call your number before you need credits, okay, to replace your credits. So you're ready to roll basically pretty much. Once you get this thing set up, your profile, you can be set up within 15-20 minutes or less, okay? It's very simple, and I will assist you with that, even though we have the instructions in your Press 1 back office, but I'll be happy to help you guys get set up. And again, I'm only going to do a few slots. Once you join me, I'm going to put you in my rotator, okay? So as I'm promoting my number, I'm going to be promoting you as well, okay? So definitely get with me on this, and I can help you get started with Press 1 Cash, guys. And I just want to say, welcome, Gregory. What I like about Gregory, when he sent me a text Friday, okay? This is how you want to, your mentality needs to be, guys, when you're going to join a business opportunity, because that's what this is. This is your business. You're investing in yourself, okay? Because the system works. It's not on trial. He texted me. He said, hey, I want to get in this program. How much am I going to need? I've got my money to get started, my $297. Now, how much should I also put aside so I can go ahead and as soon as I join, I want to start promoting? That's the mentality you want to have. That's what I do when I join a business opportunity as well. So I told him about traffic. He went ahead and got him a package, Okay, I don't know whether he ordered 100 clicks or 200 clicks, but he jumped in. He got